What's up guys, it's Jose here from Yugatech, and today we're checking out one of the newest additions to OPPO's smartphone lineup this 2022, the A77s. The OPPO A77s is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 680, packs 8 gigs of RAM, which can be extended by another 8 GB, and a 50 megapixel camera. But what makes this smartphone stand out is the back case, made out of a nice fiberglass leather design. But is the OPPO A77s worth the price of 13,999 pesos? Well, join us in this video to find out. First, let's talk about the design. The A77s features boxier edges instead of a curved edge design. As a result, this makes the phone easier to hold and personally makes the phone feel more premium. On the right side, you'll find the power button, while the volume buttons are on the left side, along with the SIM card and micro SD slots. There are no buttons up top, but you'll find one of the speakers. Meanwhile, at the bottom, there's the other loudspeaker, USB-C port, and a 3.5mm audio jack. No doubt the highlight of the OPPO A77s is the back panel, which features the fiberglass leather design. It looks nice and I like the textured feel on my hand. As a result, I've preferred using this phone without the provided protective case. Since it's not a glass panel, I didn't leave any nasty fingerprints too. My only concern with the back panel is its durability. There's also the potential for dirt buildup given the textured surface. OPPO did say the phone is IP54 rated, making it dust and water resistant, so at least it has that going. Now, flip it around and you get a closer look at the 6.56-inch display with a 1612x720 resolution. The refresh rate is capped at 90Hz, but the animations are smooth when swiping across the screen or browsing the net and social media. Watching videos on Netflix or YouTube also becomes more enjoyable with the high refresh rate. While it's not the highest resolution display, the colors are great out of the box and the backlight is bright enough, making it easy to use under direct sunlight. This also makes it more enjoyable to look at the photos you have captured using the camera. Speaking of the camera, the A77s takes nice photos from its dual rear camera system. There's a 50 megapixel main lens paired with a 2 megapixel lens for depth. There's even a software that can digitally enhance the image to 108 megapixels for larger resolution. In front, there's an 8 megapixel camera for selfies. Those that love taking photos, specifically selfies, will enjoy the various shoot modes OPPO has added into the A77s. However, we did notice the quality suffers when shooting under low light to no light conditions, even when using night mode. In these conditions, the photos end up heavily filtered and the details are lost. That said, the camera on the A77s is best suited for use in well-lit environments, as it provides nice photos out of the box without any editing needed. The colors are already great and there's minimal editing needed, so you can immediately upload them to social media, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Meanwhile, video is capped at 1080p at 30 FPS for both front and rear cameras. Do note that there is no in-body stabilization, so you better have a steady hand when taking videos, whether it's for TikTok, your IG reel, or just footage. It also runs on OPPO's ColorOS 12.1, which is based on Android 12, making it easier to use and makes the overall feel of the home screen look really nice. As a result, the phone can easily run games such as COD Mobile and Mobile Legends without any issues. Paired with the 90Hz refresh rate screen, it makes playing games more enjoyable as well. However, graphic-intensive titles like Diablo Immortal and Genshin Impact will have a harder time on the A77s, as you will experience some lagging and frame rate drops, especially when there's a lot of things going on in the background. Whatever the case, you won't have to worry about battery life on the A77s. It comes with a 5000 mAh battery and features 33-watt Super VOOC fast charging. This means less downtime and more time using the phone, whether it's to play games, watch videos, or just surf the net. For the price of only 13,999 pesos, the OPPO A77s is spec similar to other smartphones in the price range. But if you're someone who likes things that are aesthetically pleasing, the textured back panel and color options are something you'll enjoy in the A77s. But what do you think of the new OPPO A77s? Is it a phone you'll choose, or would you rather buy something else for roughly the same price? Let us know in the comments below. Now, if you enjoyed this video, do give us a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like these. Also, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, and visit our website for the latest tech news, yugatech.com. Once again, this has been Jose, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.